How to fix your sound on your iPhone device. Now, the number one reason why you may not be getting sound on your iPhone, so the main reason why you may not be getting sound on your iPhone is that it may have detected headphones or a Bluetooth device. So what we need to do is we need to scroll down from the top right hand corner, and where you say the volume option here, what it will do is if it's connected to headphones or any other Bluetooth device, right, you will see a headphone symbol. Now, if there is a headphone symbol, what this will mean is that it's connected to a Bluetooth device and it will be trying to emit the audio from the Bluetooth device. So what you need to do is you need to head over to your Bluetooth and you want to make sure that you go over and disconnect any Bluetooth options that you have on this page. So for example, if I'm connected to my Beat Studio and I don't actually know about this, I want to make sure that I've disconnected this, or you simply want to turn off your Bluetooth altogether. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can fix audio on your iPhone.